Okay, basically what I was showing is that it can be done without having to lift the whole set of steps. Lift up the back and tilt it underneath it and get those holes lined up. And then this is where I lost you last time, and I probably will again. Big flat washer, block washer, and nut. And I dropped them off. There we go.
And then we'll go tighten those down.
Okay, let me show him what that looks like real quick. Okay, he's got everything hand tightened so far. He went into the steel of the dock instead of using the plate. So he's gonna hit 4 of them. Is that the right? That's
Socket.
doing it.
Yep.
Okay.
And now one. Got it?
Nice.
And then you're going that side.
On the bottom.
Okay, so what they're gonna do basically, probably first thing they should do is not wear real Oakleys onto a dock. But secondly, they're gonna, I left one hole on each side for them to put a nut in, or a bolt in, and then what they'll do is,
Those are tight. So now.
fisherman. Hayden, you need to get the ratchet to tighten these things up on the flotation, the small one. Yeah, what the hell took you so long? Here, put them all 4 in and hand tight before you start. Make sure they send him around the other
On the
side.
other side. And it goes.
Flat washer goes.
Lock, nut, all of them on the bottom.
Put the whole bolt through first, and then do the stuff on the bottom. Uh-oh. Tell him before you do that, you're going to shove his ass in the
I'm
lake.
going to.
He's got one locked in over there. Yeah, tell.
And if you need it moved, let me know.
You need it to come to you or back towards the lake?
Towards the lake.
The float.
No,
Just with it.
float. There we go. I
Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Pass the hey dude test.
And then when you tighten these, you don't want to go super tight, just snug.
Don't puncture the, yeah. You want the lock nut to, or the lock washer to, here, you want to start getting, oh, you got them put together.
I put them together out there.
Put one in each pocket of you guys, and then on each side you'll have them to go in, and that's how we started doing it. When you start getting good at it, you hand the guy it, and he knows what to do. But since this is the first day, you may have to coach him a little. And then Hayden,
Yeah.
I found that coming in, look at this, move your Oakley.
Oh, these are gas station
Oh, okay.
classics.
Yeah, good. You're smarter.
All right, Hayden.
Um,
Don't go super tight, just kind of snug. You don't want that.
so I think I like to bring them out here and bring it then over.
Okay.
Because those things look like if you hit them wrong,
Yeah.
that
Pop the
it'll
chain.
gash it. But I think you can get it out here. And then, if not, we will figure something
It's going the right way.
Yeah, it's going the right way.
I'm thinking on one.
Push it in your pocket.
out. So if I put this video on a flash drive, is that the best way to for people to look at it and try to make try to chop it up a little, make a
Yeah. Or you, yeah, probably. Grab your big wrench over there.
here? Yeah, you don't need that. Just set it over here with this.
That way it doesn't get knocked.
Yeah.
Alright.
Now grab it by this. Hayden, you don't want to drag that, but you can drag the that a little bit. We're going
off
to that gap.
That jet ski lid.
Okay, now you're gonna go. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Now you missed it. All right, I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna back out. Rest it up on top of those cuffs.
Let's go down right there. Alright, so now your right pocket, you have a bushing in there. Don't drop it.
And it's got a steel one in the middle of it that you don't want to go into the lake.
Okay.
When you
Second,
hit 'em,
it's still
when you-
thing facing.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Just get it in there. Make sure you might have to use a hammer, but if you do, make
Put
sure
your
you
hand
cover
on
the
the
back
other side. Yeah. Here you go.
because you don't want those going out.
Doesn't take long. They go flying, and then there's only one place. There's only one place they're going.
Okay, that's good. All right. So now grab your bolt. Take the nut off. Your bolt has to go
Opposite.
from the inside, and then mine's gonna. Or we can. Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Gotta line them up and kind of work together on. It'll get there. Yeah. Yep.
Use your mallet to get it through all the way.
Here's not careful.
I know. Alright. Now you're gonna have to pull back on the corner for me. While I hit it. There you go.
Nice.
Now,
Now, Hayden, in the future, and it doesn't matter now, try to get these where they match.
oh, okay.
If that goes out, make that. It doesn't matter if they're in or out. There's no wrong way to do it.
Okay.
But if you can match them, it'll look somewhat. Nobody will ever notice. But oh, and then you got to pull that cotter pin out of there too.
Yeah.
Make sure we're still recording. The moment of truth is about to arrive. You're gonna be able to get that wrench on there. It's got an open top on it if you need.
And then, so let me know. We don't want them just barely, like, leave a little tiny gap. We don't
Make
want
it touch, but not
don't
bend.
crush.
Okay.
Put a finger on that. Hold it with the finger like that. That's good.
All right.
If you kind of put a finger on that as you're doing it, it'll keep that lined up with it, and it'll save it from jumping out of your hand. Now, Hayden, you want to grab that little cotter pin out of there. Okay, very important right there. Before you go up or down on it, that pin needs to be in that hole. All right, hope you got your water shoes on. Just pull the whole dock apart. Bounce a little bit and maybe hung up some. Looks like it should go.
Yeah.
Go down one more step. I'm afraid you're gonna have to. That's not the hole I'm seeing up top, is it?
Right there?
Yeah.
No, I don't think
Okay.
so. Here, step up real quick.
Take your shoes off and go down a step, you think, or no? We checked it Z and Z.
Yep. What, Chris?
Gonna do a commercial for your boots or something? I found these in a dumpster and they really work. I beat up a hobo and got them. That should line right up. The other two did.
Yep.
Hopefully it's just one more step. Got any more clothes on there? Roll them up. The hell's wrong? Never mind.
No, I know my big toes.
Your
are
big
messed up.
toenails are tails. I wouldn't have made you do it if I knew it was going to take this long. And you had those toenails.
It's from all the surgeries.
Nobody's toenails are that good looking. I got news for you. All right, let's see what we got here. If not, we got a factory defect.
Oh, that's really cold.
Looks like you brought it down further.
There you go.
Okay, do it again.
Yep.
Yeah, do it again. Needed you to give it the Hayden treatment once. Attitude adjustment. Thank you. There you go. Perfect. How cold would you describe your feet at this moment? On a scale of 1 to 10.
6.
6? That's not bad.
All right.
Okay, and there's the final installation. Very simple. Possibly be done with one person. I've done it before where you put some wheels on the front and kind of push it down around like a wheelbarrow. But 2 people, it's usually pretty quick. Once you get it down to the dock and where you guys saw us start, that's usually pretty quick if you don't run into any issues under your dock, and you're always allowed to improvise any way you can, as long as it's secure.